This is EMEET. It's a USB speakerphone for live streaming. 1080p 60 HD web camera, 3-in-1. AI speakerphone with webcam, auto light correction, and denoise mics. 60-degree through 96-degree wide angle, software control, and privacy cover, known as the C990. So let's open this up, show you what you get inside the box. You have a very long USB to C cable, instructions, and the product. This is the lens privacy cover. It protects the lens, keeps it clean. It has a lanyard strap that is hooked to. On the bottom, it's got a 1/4 20 thread. You could put this onto your laptop. You could stand it up like so on a desk, and you can capture the whole meeting. You have the speaker on top and 4 array microphones located all around the unit. Now, all you have to do is just hook this up, open up the program, and off you go. So what I'm going to go show you, how simple it is to hook this up to your computer, if it's Windows 7 and higher or a Macintosh. So let's get right to it, show you what this camera can do. Find your port, plug it in. If you want to put your camera up like so you can hang it on the back of your laptop, you can do so, or a desk. And we're going to open up a program, and it opens up to my webcam over here. It's really that simple. It connects 1, 2, 3. If other cameras don't connect, you get some errors. And here we are, 4:3 aspect ratio. And if I need to drag this any bigger, I can enlarge it by grabbing the ends, making it bigger, zoom in to show the whole screen when I'm streaming a game, streaming to somebody out there in the world. And let me show you what that looks like streaming from this camera. This is a test in a low light situation using the EMEET C900 series camcorder with the 4 mic array, the speaker on top that gives you a 60 degrees as well as a 90 plus degrees to give you all that wideness. A low light shot, doing a great job. And what we're going to do here is just turn on a light, and we're going to see if any improvements with it will do a good job. And here we are. You can see the light being bright and changing the Kelvin and giving it a brighter perspective. And I hope this video will work out for you, doing a good job indeed. So there you have a real beautiful camera. If I want privacy and afraid that somebody's going to be looking, I just put the cover on. Now, the good thing about this camera gets the job done, streaming live, getting your games, doing meetings, etc., etc. It's portable to put away, save in the box for another day. And when you have that meeting, you just whip it out, put it on a tripod, and capture the moment and share the fun. I hope this camera may be something that you're looking for that may be right for you.